Scootio! We're here. You ready to go? We've got a lot of work to do for Maxwell's birthday party. Scootio?
She's not here.
I'm hiding.
Who are you hiding from, Scootio?
Oh, you found me! I just taught the Scoot Bops how to play games, like hide and seek and tag. Want to play?
Tiny robot hide and seek? I do!
Maybe later. We have to get to the clubhouse. DJ and Loop are already getting things ready.
Maxwell's party! I almost forgot! You Bops head back home. More games later. Come on, we have a party to set up. Vroom! Happy birthday, Maxwell!
Happy birthday, Maxwell! We're getting the party ready now. No peeking until tonight.
Oh, all right, you lot. My eyes are sealed.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, cool!
Whoa! Hey! Whoa! You got it working!
It's the most musical map ever!
Matted! That's not all! Oh, yeah!
I love it!
It's beautiful!
Whoa! Great job with the decorations!
Hey, you've got to see the photo booth! Come on, this way!
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Do I really look like that?
You look exactly like that.
Okay. Now, who's going to work the DJ booth? Me? You think just because my name is DJ, that I'll be going to work in the DJ booth? All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey! I am! Okay, save it for later. We need snacks and drinks and... Oh, Luke, did you order that cake yet? What was that?
A balloon blew up all by itself and popped.
Really? All by itself?
Yep, just pop. Did you get self-popping balloons?
Everything's okay. Toots just popped a balloon.
No, I didn't. But if I didn't, who did? Is anybody here? Are you hiding? What was that? There's definitely somebody here, but I can't see them. Because they're invisible. I'm going to have to catch the invisible somebody myself. I know you're here. I can hear you.
Oh, not looking. Not until tonight. Now! Whoa!
Huh? Sue! mean, Toot? Like an invisible friend?
They are not my friend, but they are invisible.
I made up an invisible friend once. His name was Wheelie. Wheelie. You made him up. Yeah, but I still hope wherever he is, he's happy.
Cake delivery!
All right!
Hey guys, usually I don't deliver cakes because they're easy to drop. The slides and swibble can make... What I was just talking about is happening.
Oh no, Maxwell's cake.
This party is a mess.
I don't know what happened. Something went right in front of me. I didn't even see it.
That's because it's invisible. Do you believe me now?
What if Toot's right? What if she really does have an invisible friend who's trying to ruin the party?
They're not my friend.
If it's true, then we have to stop it.
Before it wrecks everything.
Totally.
So you believe me?
I think I do. I believe you. Bike buddies, wheel it in. Yeah, river.
Yes. It's getting away. Oh, coming in. Either way, let's go.
I'm not cleaning this up. I'm eating it up.
Follow that box. It got away. There it is. Let's try to surround it. Whatever this thing is, it's fast, but not as fast as me.
Got it.
Did we get it?
I don't see it.
Nobody does. That's what invisible means. No, because it got away.
Scootio's right. There's nothing there. Oh no! It's back in the clubhouse. Come on!
What's going on? No! Stop! You're invisible! Why would you need a photo booth? Wait a minute! That looks like
A scoot bop.
a scoot bop! It's not invisible, it's a scoot bop, and it's playing tag!
This whole time, it was trying to play.
Can you turn it off?
Not without catching it first.
Well then, I guess we're playing tiny robot tag.
Whoa! I'm coming to get you! Loop's coming! Yeah! It's headed for the DJ booth!
No!
Cutie.
Good job, Toot. Okay, little Bop. Time for a nap.
Now that we have Toot's friend under control, we better get to work cleaning up the party zone.
What a disaster!
Yeah, and with the fireworks used up, we don't even have a present for Maxwell anymore.
Maybe the Bops can help.
What are you thinking, Toot?
Can I open my eyes now? My head's getting a little dented.
Happy birthday, Maxwell!
Oh, you did all this? For me?
The other guests will be here soon, but we couldn't wait to show you. Watch this! And now a little something special we put together for you, Maxwell. TJ?
This is some birthday.
TJ's okay, you guys. It's just a tyre change. That's nothing to worry about. Is it? Ooh.
Oh, excuse me, just a little backfire. The old carburettor's acting up again.
Oh. Do you think DJ's okay?
Okay, I'm great! Check out these tyres! Check out the traction! No way I could do this before!
Who's oof?
Oh, sorry, I'll just move that back.
Okay, who's next? Ricky, you want an appointment?
You know, I would, but, I'm late for school.
On a Saturday?
Yeah, I'm late for, Saturday school. Bye.
Nobody told me about Saturday school. Oh, now I'll never catch up.
I think you had the next appointment, Scootio. I've got a brand new tyre set just for you.
Don't worry, it doesn't hurt one bit.
All right.
Hey, Ricky. What are you doing?
Toot, do my tyres look okay to you? And just so you know, I really, really, really want you to say yes, no matter what you really think.
Oh, got it. They look worn out. You should get them changed.
Oh, thanks, Toot.
Ricky, I just made you an appointment at...
Let me guess, Maxwell's service station to get my tyres changed.
That's right. Maxwell had a free appointment right after Loop.
Oh, time to rev and roll, I guess.
Are you worried about having your tyres changed, Ricky? I can go with you.
No, there's nothing to be worried about. I'll go find Loop right now. Gotta zoom. Hey, Loop.
Hey, Ricky. You couldn't find Saturday school either, huh? I think we missed it.
No, my mum made me an appointment at Maxwell's.
That's where I'm going. We can go together. Come on, Ricky. We're going to be late.
Oh, no! Did you hear that? My muffler doesn't sound so good. I have muffleritis.
Muffleritis? Why? Why? Why do bad things happen to good bikes? What's muffleritis?
You're not supposed to get your tyres changed when you have muffleritis. It's the law. Or a rule.
definitely at least a strong suggestion. But you go ahead without me. I'll just get some rest.
Wow! Of all the days to get muffleritis.
I can't do it. I just can't do it. I'm not scared. I don't get scared. I just don't need new tyres, that's all. My tyres are in great shape. Whoa! Whoa! Almost good as new.
Your new tyres look so cool. And I'm going to keep them perfect forever. I'm never, ever going to get them worn out or even dirty, ever.
Loop, you're a dirt bike. I'm not sure you know how not to get your wheels dirty.
Just watch me. Rock, oh, just missed it. Water, that was close. Now, if I can just ram. Woohoo! Yeah! Ram on!
So much for those tyres staying clean.
Ricky, why aren't you in bed? You shouldn't mess with muffleritis, whatever that is.
I got better, and I got my tyres changed.
Way to go, Ricky!
It didn't hurt a bit.
Hey, we've got to try out our new treads. Let's ride up the steepest hill in town.
Nice!
Woohoo!
Let's go!
Oh, okay. Sounds great. There it is, Uphill Avenue.
The toughest climb in town.
Oh, how hard can it be? Last one to the top's a rusty spark plug.
Let's go!
I can do this. It's just a little hill.
Yeah! See you later, carburettors.
Go, Ricky!
This isn't so bad.
Come on, tyres! Just a little further!
This is a problem. It's okay. It's just like going forwards, except moving the other way.
Watch out!
Guys, Ricky needs help!
What's wrong? Is it your new tyres? Am I not awesome enough?
About the tyre change thing. I kinda, sorta, never really did that. These are still my old tyres.
What? But that's even less awesome than what I said.
Ah! I don't think I can make that turn. Luke, DJ, can you get on either side of me? Scootio, let's check out the road ahead. Zoom cam, go!
All clear.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, turn me around.
Whoa!
Yes! I've got my windshield to the wind again. Thanks, guys.
Good job! But we're not done yet. There's one big pothole of a problem ahead. Put on your brakes, Ricky.
They are on. My tyres are too worn down.
You guys go. I'll stick with Ricky. DJ, can you move these barricades?
With these tyres, I can move anything.
Now, if I can just keep going straight. Luke's got you covered.
I got it!
Yes! I think I've skidded far enough. How about we get me to stop?
How do we do that?
Let's find out how awesome those new tyres are. Bye, buddies! Wheel it in! Perfect! Now everybody brake! That's it! Slower! Slower! Phew. Thanks, guys. I don't know what I would have done without you.
What are bike buddies for?
Ricky! There you are. I thought I'd lost you.
I'm ready for my appointment now.
One new set of tyres to be installed extra carefully.
Go, Ricky! You can do it!
Make room for Ricky Zoo! I don't even know what I was scared of.
The musical relay race is that way, little bikes. Now make sure you stay with your parents. It's not just sports day, it's family sports day.
I'm catching you!
Oh, no, you don't!
We're winning! No way! I was obviously first.
Kids, it's all for fun. Oh dear, too fast. I should slow down.
No, Mum!
Still too fast. I don't know if I can go any slower, but I'll try. How's this?
No, Mum, it's a race! Go faster!
Well, I suppose I could use my air jets.
Woohoo! Am I racing now? Hey! Wow, wow! Oh my, that was...
Amazing! You went faster than Ricky's mum! And she's a racing bike!
Mum, that was fun, right?
Of course, Ricky. It's all just for fun. Winning doesn't matter.
Do you want to do another race?
Yes! Another event! Did you hear that, Whoopi? Another event! Let's go!
Are you ready for the slalom race? Don't forget, it's a family race.
Good luck, Ricky!
You too, Scootio.
Ready, steady, go! Congratulations, Helen. Are both teams ready? We were ready first.
Well, we're more ready.
Oh, dear. Well, then, I suppose it's go. That's it.
Whoopee wheel-lock, go!
Can't move me now.
Mum, I think we need to slow down.
It doesn't matter who wins, as long as it's us.
Mum, maybe we don't need to win that badly.
It's all for fun, Scootio.
Feel the fun!
Wow, Scootio, your mum likes to win.
So does yours.
Oh, these two were always like this back when they were in school. They both had to win at everything. Until that one championship race. I win!
I won! No, I won!
It's a tie. You both win.
Hooray! Everybody's happy.
Or nobody is. Oh, dear.
What's the next event, Mrs. Bikely?
Yeah, what will I win next?
Oh, well, the all-around town marathon is supposed to start. Perfect!
I thought grown-ups knew. It doesn't matter if you win or lose.
We're kids, and even we know that.
What's wrong, guys? Your faces look like this. But family sports day faces are supposed to look like this.
Come on, guys. Our mums want to win so bad. They're kind of taking the fun out of family fun.
Ricky, Mrs. Bikely said our mums were friends in school. Maybe we could find some old pictures.
And remind them what good friends they are.
I'll search right now.
I hope you find something fast. The all-around town race is starting soon. And it could get ugly.
I found something, look!
It says they finished the race together and shared the trophy.
Those are family sports day faces.
I've seen that picture in the trophy case at school. I wonder if they even remember that. Mum, you need to see something.
Not right now, Ricky. I have to focus on definitely winning this Just for Fun race no matter what.
Ricky, what are you doing?
Come on, I've got an idea.
Racers, we are ready to start. Unless you want to call it a draw and be friends. Maybe?
Is the plan clear?
We're switching the sign so our mums will race to the school.
There's something there they need to see.
On your marks, get set, go!
Let's go!
Faster, Luke, they're coming! Zoom cam, go! Luke, you catch up with Ricky and DJ and I'll get everything ready at school.
With the sign pointing this way, they'll race straight to school. Here they are! DJ, the sign! Quick!
would you prefer? Green, orange? Ooh.
Oh no, they've missed the sign! Soup can, time to pick up the sign!
There's a sign, back on track.
Soup can, we need one more sign for school!
Quick, they're coming!
Time for my secret weapon! Not without me this time! Oh, the jets won't stop!
Our mums are in trouble!
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook! Go! Scootio, I need your help!
Soup can, go! Mom, are you okay?
I think so, Scootio. Thanks to you. And to you, Ricky. Oh, the race! Oh, no, you don't.
Sorry, Mrs. Zoom and Mrs. Whizbang, we can't let you go! We brought you here to see something.
Oh. Let's go!
Oh, I remember winning that. Oh, I remember winning it too.
It didn't matter who won, right?
Isn't staying friends more important?
Oh.
Family Sports Day faces!
Great! Is everybody ready for the race?
Ready!
Yeah! Go on, racers! Yeah!
On your marks, get set,